high-voltage drama unfolded in the Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai's court today around 11:30 in the morning when he resumed hearing mentioning for the day. A lawyer barged into the court and tried to hurl his shoe towards the Chief Justice of India's bench. However, he was caught in time by the security, and while he was being dragged out of the court, he was seen raising slogans like Sanatan Dharm ka apman nahi sahega Hindustan. He chanted slogans saying that India won't tolerate any insults to Hindu religion, Sanatan religion. This incident probably was sparked by CJI Gavai's previous case comments related to a case where a petition was filed seeking restoration of a 7-foot beheaded idol of Lord Vishnu at Khajuraho. While dismissing this petition, CJI Gavai had in a lighter vein commented, "Go and ask your deity itself to do something now, as the Supreme Court can't do anything about it, as it is in fact an ASI protected monument and such direction cannot be issued by the Supreme Court." However, this remark had not gone down well with certain sections of the society. People had taken strong objections to this remark being made by the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India just few days later while hearing another case clarified that he respects all religion and his remark is being blown out of proportion and misrepresented on social media. Today's incident has however showed that this controversy is far from over, as this lawyer tried to hurl a shoe at the Chief Justice of India in such a high security zone inside the Supreme Court. Many lawyers have reacted, even political parties have reacted, while Congress and CPIM have strongly condemned this entire incident. Senior lawyer Indra Jaising told NDTV that this was, it seemed like more like an ideological attack and Supreme Court should do something about it. Chief Justice of India, however, has taken this very lightly and he has said that he's not affected by any of such incident. He's the last person to be affected by it. He has also asked the registry to just ignore this entire case, and it is said that he's not even registering any formal complaint or taking any contempt of court action against the accused. It is also said that the accused will be let off by the Delhi police without any action, as the Chief Justice of India is not interested in pursuing any action against him.
I consider it very serious as an attack on the institution as a whole. If you see the comment that he made, it's definitely a casteist remark. Though directed against the Chief Justice of India, I consider it an attack on the institution as a whole. And I do think it's the duty of the Supreme Court to defend itself, to protect itself, at the very least by issuing a statement that this kind of ideological attack will not be tolerated by the court. I'm particularly concerned about this institution because it is an institution which is meant to maintain the balance between the executive and the citizen.
What do you think about this entire fiasco? Do tell us in the comments below.